Welcome to the ultimate review. Hard water can leave spots, build up, and reduce cleaning performance over time. Best dishwasher for hard water models are designed to tackle mineral deposits while delivering sparkling clean dishes every cycle. In this guide, we'll explore the top options that combine powerful cleaning, efficiency, and long-term reliability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. COMFEE Portable Dishwasher. The COMFEE Portable Dishwasher is a practical choice for small households that need reliable cleaning performance without sacrificing valuable kitchen space. Designed to accommodate up to 6 place settings, it can handle a surprisingly large load for its compact size, making it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, RVs, and smaller homes. One of its biggest strengths is flexibility. It can sit conveniently on a countertop or be installed inside a cabinet for a cleaner, built-in appearance. The dishwasher offers 8 wash cycles, allowing users to choose the right setting for everything from heavily soiled cookware to delicate glassware. Its powerful cleaning system uses multiple spray nozzles and a 360-degree wash pattern to reach every corner of the load. High-temperature water helps remove grease and dried food effectively, reducing the need for pre-scrubbing. The extra drying function is also useful for keeping dishes ready to use immediately after washing. For couples or small families looking for convenience, capacity, and dependable cleaning, this dishwasher delivers excellent everyday performance in a compact package. Number 2. EUHOMY Quick Dishwasher. The EUHOMY Quick Dishwasher is designed for people who want an easy and flexible dishwashing solution without dealing with complicated installation. Its built-in water tank allows it to operate almost anywhere, while the faucet connection option provides additional convenience when needed. This versatility makes it especially attractive for renters, RV owners, students, and anyone living in a compact space. Despite its small footprint, the interior can hold over 30 items, including plates, bowls, cups, and utensils. One standout feature is its remarkably quiet operation, allowing it to run in the background without becoming a distraction. The 6 wash programs cover a variety of cleaning needs, from quick daily loads to high-temperature sanitizing cycles for baby bottles and pet accessories. The powerful dual spray arms provide thorough coverage and help ensure dishes come out clean from every angle. After washing, the hot air drying and extended ventilation system help keep dishes dry and fresh for days. Overall, it offers an impressive balance of convenience, cleaning efficiency, and user-friendly operation. Number 3. COMFEE 162° Fahrenheit Dishwasher. The COMFEE 162° Fahrenheit dishwasher is an excellent option for households that need a compact appliance with strong sanitizing capabilities. Its portable design allows users to either fill the built-in water tank manually or connect it directly to a faucet, providing flexibility for different living arrangements. Whether placed in an apartment, dorm room, camper, or small kitchen, it delivers convenient dishwashing without requiring permanent installation. The interior is designed to handle more than 30 items per cycle while maintaining a compact footprint that fits comfortably on most countertops. The standout hygiene cycle uses water temperatures up to 162 degrees Fahrenheit, making it particularly useful for baby bottles, utensils, and dishes that require extra sanitation. An air refresh drying mode helps reduce moisture and keeps dishes fresher between uses. Combining portability, cleaning power, and practical features, this dishwasher offers excellent value for individuals, couples, and small families. Number 4. BLITZHOME 167° Fahrenheit Dishwasher. The BLITZHOME 167° Fahrenheit dishwasher stands out by combining generous capacity with advanced cleaning features in a compact countertop design. It's a great fit for apartments, RVs, dormitories, and smaller kitchens where space is limited but performance remains important. The spacious interior can accommodate larger plates than many competing models, making it suitable for families that generate more dishes throughout the day. With 9 wash programs available, users have plenty of options for different cleaning situations, including everyday washing, baby care, fruit cleaning, quick cycles, and self-cleaning maintenance. Its 3 spray arms create comprehensive water coverage, helping remove stubborn food residue and grease with ease. High-temperature washing improves sanitation and provides extra confidence when cleaning baby items or heavily used cookware. The hot air drying system eliminates excess moisture, while the air refresh feature helps keep dishes fresh and odor-free for extended periods. Additional conveniences such as delayed start scheduling and dual water supply modes make this dishwasher highly adaptable to different lifestyles and household needs. Number 5. FOHERE 360-degree dishwasher. The FOHERE 360-degree dishwasher is a compact yet capable appliance designed to simplify dishwashing for small households. Its space-saving dimensions make it easy to place on a countertop while still offering enough room to accommodate multiple place settings, plates, bowls, cups, and utensils in a single load. The dual water supply system adds flexibility, allowing users to choose between the built-in water tank or direct faucet connection, depending on their setup. This makes it particularly useful for apartments, RVs, dorm rooms, and temporary living spaces. Cleaning performance is supported by dual 360-degree spray arms that deliver thorough water coverage throughout the interior. Several wash programs are available, including quick cleaning, energy-saving operation, fruit washing, and a high-temperature baby care cycle for deeper sanitation. The dishwasher also stands out for its efficient water usage, consuming significantly less water than traditional hand-washing methods. Once the cycle finishes, the hot air drying and automatic ventilation system help keep dishes dry, fresh, and ready to use. Overall, it offers convenience, efficiency, and dependable everyday performance. That concludes our review of the best portable dishwashers available today. Whether you need a compact model for an apartment, RV, dorm, or small kitchen, each option offers unique benefits to suit different needs and budgets. Consider your available space, capacity requirements, and preferred features to find the perfect dishwasher that makes daily cleanup faster, easier, and more convenient.